Hello, my name is Dr. Noor Azlin from University Putra, Malaysia. So I'm conducting course Business Analytics on behalf of Putra Business School. It's a very grateful to have GIBS Business School and Research Global as participants for this course, and I would like to congratulate for both of management to give opportunity for the students to have experiential learning in overseas, and also to learn about Malaysia culture for their MBA education. From my experience, 2 days with the student, they are give a good cooperation. They also learn about data analytics and how to apply in a business context. So this kind of activity should be continued in future, because we want the student to expose about internationalization and opportunity to learn abroad from other university, especially university with ACCSB accreditation. So I hope we will continue our relationship and also benefit for both parties. Thank you.